technically ax plus b. What the hell just happened? The cool thing about generator. Whoa. Am I still live on YouTube? Shoot. I'm back being live on Twitch, but YouTube killed me. And I don't think I'm live there anymore. Wait, I'm live? And I don't think I'm live there anymore. Oh, hi. For some... at least Restream is pushing it again. I really didn't mean to extend the live like that, but now it's like that. Internet issues, obviously, on my side, but yeah, it just like I think it continuously sends Restream continuously sends the stream, so it accepted it again. But on Twitch, it said stopped and then came back in the same, for me at least. Yeah, it came back in the same place. Well, I guess Twitch is like that. Live is just the first thing you see. But YouTube changes its URL. Because there are videos on YouTube. Okay. Wow. Very bad internet. Your point, yes, activation function as non-linearity between layers. Thank you. And ax plus b with a equals... I'm not sure. I know that that thing is supposed to be transposed, but I don't know if that's what you mean there. Yes. Okay, so yeah, my plan was like to leave just soon, but that stopping thing just messed with it, so apologies for that. Let me see when I can leave, because I was just planning to leave in like 5 minutes.
To make most of its activations pretty close to zero, and that's the opposite of what you want. You generally want your activations to be kind of as rich and diverse and used as possible.
Okay.
So nothing to stop you doing it, but it probably won't work very well. Basically, pretty much all of your layers will be followed by non-linear activation functions that will nearly always be ReLU, except for the...
Oh, you meant A1 and A2. Okay. Okay, I can read that. A equals A1 and B, AB1 plus B2. Don't know where we're going with this, but I sort of understand. Hi! What time is it? Why are you awake? Go to sleep. Hello. Okay, somewhere in Europe, then it's like early in the morning, so good morning. Yeah, go to sleep, but also good morning. I believe in you. You can, fix your sleeping schedule. I have faith.
Last layer.
To ask the question in a different way, could you, when doing multiple layers, so let's say like going 2 or 3,
could you lift things?
Just going 2 or 3 layers deep, do you want to switch?
Oh. Huh. Okay, so the other person was, 1 a.m. isn't so horrible. That's good. Okay. It's not that horrible if you sleep now, which you can do it. Go.
Switch up these activation layers,
No.
or is it okay just to keep them consistent?
No, that's a great question. So if I wanted to go deeper, I would just do that. Okay, that's
start with a1 times x plus, oh, okay, yes. Then plug it in another linear equation. So the final result, now I understand. Oh my god, thank you for putting it in terms that my brain accepts it. Okay, but like, we have all the images that we're training on. That's not a loop. We're doing the loop here. 1, twice, 3 times. But also giving it between layers, it has to be, like you said, some activation things so that they are... We also have to change the weights, don't we? Between the layers, so that there's the learning part. Whew. Which we can put it into linear format. Okay. I see.
now 2 hidden layer network.
Oh, what do we do?
That. Okay, that's a
Linear again. Let's see how that makes it better.
now 2 hidden layer network.
So I think I'd heard you said that there are a couple of different activation functions like that rectified.
What just happened? Why? Oh my god. I don't know why the alert isn't showing, but also why? Thank you. When I said go to sleep, I'm subs to people. Please do not waste your money on me. I'm a really, really well, what's the word? I have money. I work. I would even say to the point that I'm rich, okay? Thank you. Do not waste your hard-earned money on me. And also I had my hand in a thank you position, not that you can see. But also no.
With linear unit, what are some examples and why would you use each?
Yeah, great question. So basically, like, as you add like more linear layers, you kind of got your input comes in.
Yuki won't let me thank her any other way. Yes. Aww. I see. You guys are really cool. Have a restful sleep. I'm not gonna be loud so that you can just leave. Please do that. Thank you for stopping by. I also had fun stopping by your stream. Good night. I'm gonna leave in a bit, for sure. Yes, financially stable, definitely. In this unstable economy, I am.
Linear layer, and then the final non-linear layer. The final non-linear layer, as we've discussed, if it's a multi-category classification, but you only ever pick one of them, you would use softmax. If it's a binary classification or a multi-label classification where you're predicting multiple things, you would use sigmoid. If it's a regression, you would often have nothing at all.
I think I'm just gonna go. Wait, okay, I'll let him talk for 3 more minutes because I think the stream is really bad. So.
Right, although we learned in last night's DL course where sometimes you can use sigmoid there as well. So they're basically the options, main options for the final layer. For the hidden layers, you pretty much always use ReLU. Right? But there is another one you can pick, which is kind of interesting, which is called leaky ReLU, and it looks like this.
A what value?
And basically, if it's above 0, it's y equals x, and if it's below 0, it's like y equals 0.1x. Okay, so it's very similar to ReLU, but it's rather than being equal to 0 under x, it's like something close to that. So they're the main two.
Hey.
ReLU.
Hi, Coffee Cafe. What's up? Saw you yesterday during the daily paper discussion. But I had to leave early. Good time of day. Not sure which time it is.
And leaky ReLU.
Oh, leaky. Oh, ReLU. I was like, why does value sound so funny? ReLU.
There are various.
Oh no, it wasn't about interest. It was about me needing to leave because it was Thursday night, and Thursday night it's a bit crowded at home.
There's others, but they're kind of like things that just look very close to that. So, for example, there's something called ELU, which is quite popular.
And I also felt rude announcing my leaving. I was like, who cares?
But like, the details don't matter too much, honestly. Like like ELU is something that looks like this, but it's slightly more curvy in the middle. And it's kind of like, it's not generally something that you so much pick based on the data set. It's more like over time we just find better activation functions. So 2 or 3 years ago, everybody used ReLU. A year ago, pretty much everybody used leaky ReLU. Today, I guess probably most people are starting to move towards ELU.
Okay. And sigmoid? Is it like old?
But honestly, the choice of activation function doesn't matter terribly much, actually. And people have actually showed that you can use like pretty arbitrary nonlinear activation functions, like even a sine wave. And it still works. Okay.
Okay. I've been here for too long. 40 minutes of it. 40 minutes of video translates into more computationally expensive than ReLUs. I just didn't know what ReLUs were just till now. So yeah. Oh my god, I've been here for 2 hours. Woo, that's fun. ReLUs. I read it the same way. I didn't read it as rules. Okay. Hello. It's leaving time. Sorry, Coffee Cafe, you just arrived. I've been exponentials as its core, and ReLUs use max, which is faster than exponential. Cool. That is pretty cool. I think the stream is dying, which means I really gotta go. Thank you. It was fun today. Cool people. Nice people. And learning. That's what it's all about. Sorry again for the issues with the stream, the cut and all that. I will try to invest in my router because it's my router's issue. So bear with me. And I am going to go. If you have any questions or anything, let me know. Whether on here or on Twitter or whatever. Yeah. Thank you for your time and energy. Inshallah, if all goes well, see you tomorrow. If not, See you whenever. Who's a cool streamer? Yeah, cool people all around YouTube and Twitch. Okay, thank you. Gonna go in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Blast off. Start the day well, inshallah. Goodbye. Waiting for the fiber. Inshallah. Inshallah fiber optics reaches there. Okay. Thank you and bye.